Hey everybody, it's Beth. I grabbed 2 of these boxes from Dollar Tree, and I had these corks I got from Amazon. I painted one of the boxes with toasted Terra Cotta. That's by Folkart. I just gave it one coat, the box as well as the lid. And then the same thing with the next box. This one was just Terra Cotta by Folkart. After those were both dry, I placed back on the lids, and then I'm taking Vintage Photo Distress Oxide and an applicator and brushing that on all around the boxes. I then took the corks and hot glued them to the top of the boxes, and then hot glued some Spanish moss around those. Next, I'm just taking different picks that I have and cutting pieces off the leaves and things and hot gluing those around the cork. Last thing I did was just take these LED tea lights from Dollar Tree and place them inside each of the boxes. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.